The moonlit forest was quiet. Milo's blue messenger bag began to glow. A silver letter floated into the air.
What is
A new adventure had begun. Milo found a hidden crystal meadow.
I'll find it.
Flowers sparkled
this path
beneath the
leading?
moon. A beautiful crystal deer appeared.
It's
It quietly asked Milo to follow.
Follow my light, little
The crystal deer walked ahead. Crystal flowers bloomed with every step. Milo followed in silence. The meadow felt magical. They reached the ancient moon spring. Only a little glowing water remained. The flowers slowly closed. The crystal deer lowered its head.
Light fades.
Dark clouds covered the moon. The meadow lost its light. Only
did everyone
Milo's
go?
lantern still glowed. He knew he must help. Milo opened his messenger bag.
It's time.
The courage stars
light awakens.
rose into the sky.
It's time.
Light returned to the moon spring.
We did
The
it!
meadow shone
did
once
it!
again. The crystal deer walked closer. It gently touched Milo with its antlers. Warm light surrounded them. Hope returned to the valley. A crystal dewdrop floated into Milo's bag.
It's beautiful.
The fourth courage star appeared.
Did it.
The crystal deer smiled. The journey was complete.
I wonder who needs a letter tomorrow.